To get GMC sponsorship and register as a fully qualified medical practitioner in the UK, follow these steps. So first, choose a sponsor from the pre-approved list. If your sponsor isn't on the list, you'll need to find another application route. Second is to meet sponsor requirements. Prove you have the necessary knowledge, skills, and experience. You must have practiced medicine for at least 3 out of the last 5 years, including the most recent 12 months. Third, obtain a sponsorship registration certificate or SRC. If you satisfy the sponsor's scheme requirements, they will issue you an SRC. Ensure the certificate is specifically for GMC registration, not for a UK visa. And fourth, demonstrate English proficiency. Achieve the required scores in the academic version of the IELTS test or the OET. And the next is to apply to GMC. Use the SRC to apply for registration with the GMC.